everybody, welcome to Mount Comfort RV Online. I'm Kurt Hunt, and today we're featuring 3 brand new motorhomes from Tiffin, the long considered manufacturers of some of the nicest motorhomes available. We'll see a new Wayfarer. It's 24 feet of luxury. Then we tour an Allegro 32 SA. It's a gas Class A. And we'll finish with an Allegro Red. That's a diesel Class A. So let's get rolling. Here's former Rolling Stones groupie Travis Smith with more.
Thanks, Kurt. We're at the Wayfarer. As you know, the Wayfarer comes on the Mercedes chassis. That's going to give you 188 horsepower. This particular unit has the Cordova full body paint. It does have solar. You've got a Cummins Onan 3200 diesel generator as well. Outdoor television underneath your Girard awning with LED strip. Now, one thing I love about this unit, this is one of my favorite floor plans, and that's because of effective use of space. And if you watch many of my videos, you know that's one of the things I do enjoy and appreciate. Check this out. Not too many small units like this are you gonna see a full pass-through storage, and this delivers that. So I thought that was pretty nice. Let's step inside and I'll show you why I like this floor plan and what I mean when I say effective use of space. All right, so as you first walk in, sorry Tony, down low here, you'll see you've got your automatic hydraulic leveling, obviously your light panel. This little bad boy right here is for your garbage can, which you can also access from here. It kind of looks like a Kleenex box top, but it's not. I can lift this so you don't have to duck underneath there, Tony. There's your bed up top. And this thing it's all connected. Swoops down here, your ladder's up there, and this is very plush, very nice. TV up top. 2-burner cooktop. This is the Landis Ash cabinetry. All of it is soft close. Spice rack. Nice size sink here. Faucet. So I love this refrigerator. Instead of Tiffin, taking like a lot of these units and taking a small refrigerator and just jamming it up underneath the cabinet somewhere so you can say, hey, yeah, it's got something to keep it cold. They use this Norcold fridge with a freezer. Odd shape, tall and skinny like this, but it fits. It gives you plenty of space there. You got your dual reclining sofa or theater seating there. Both of those are power and have USB ports for charging capabilities. This is going to get kind of tight right here, but it's neat. Here, I'll switch spaces. Go to the bedroom there, Tony, so I can kind of show these doors. This is the shower. This is the toilet. So when I did this wrong. Come back out here. We're still rolling, right? All right. So if you want a full bathroom, now step into the toilet. I promise folks, it's a lot easier whenever it's one person. Obviously it's not a coordinated operation that you're going to have to do very often like this. Oh, sorry. But now you can see you've got privacy on both sides. Those are on magnets, so you've got a full bathroom here and a good sized shower. It's not like a lot of your smaller Bs and vans that obviously are going to have the wet bath. You've got a nice size, oh, didn't mean to hit your camera. Nice size restroom. All right, come on out. It didn't seem it when Tony and I are both in there trying to keep a camera moving around, but it's actually pretty roomy once you have that set up. In the bedroom, ton of storage. So you've got overhead. Of course, I had to open the one with the box, but ton of overhead storage. Very large wardrobe. Why do I always say large? I always say lard. Very large wardrobe, folks. Come get your lard wardrobe. There. So you've got the two twin setup or bench seats back here, and this makes a giant bed. So this is your pass-through storage, and these drawers have storage, but your panels are right here. Tiffin gives you this nice little storage bin. Panels go here, these come out and make a large bed back there. And then, Tony, switch me again. When you're back there and you're in said bed, your television comes out right here, and that's on a mount that you can pull it out. Spots for your tables in here. Both of these will turn around. You saw the cushions in the wardrobe that kind of boost the booster seats. So when you have these swiveled around, you're boosted up, you're sitting level, you're not sitting down there with your legs kicked out. I don't know if we showed the microwave / convection oven. It's got a 15,000 BTU AC with a heat pump, so that's nice. Truma water filter, or not water filter, Truma water heater, tankless water heater. And I think I said solar already. So this unit's loaded with features, loaded with storage, and it's at a deal. Back to you, Kurt.
Hey, thanks, Travis. Before we move on, let's hear from our RV parts store expert, Rick Helvey. And we're back with Rick Helvey, one of Mount Comfort RV parts store experts, and he's brought an item today to tell us about.
Hi, my name is Rick. This is the Tank Saver. We use this twice a year to clean your water tank on your water heater. It's typically your gas electric water heaters run around $700, and we want to keep them from rusting the tanks, and this will do a very good job. Once in the summer, around July, I'd like you to drain the water heater, put this on your water hose. It's got a shutoff built right into it. Put it right in through the drain plug where you took the plug or the anode rod out and turn the water on. It'll flush water into the bottom of the tank. It will splash back out at you, out of the drain, down the side of the camper to the ground. When you start, it'll be brown, the water will be. When you finish in 15 minutes, it'll be clear, and the water tank will be all clean and ready to go for the season. You'll do this one more time in the winter, and that'll take care of it before you winterize it. Flush your tanks, and that'll keep your tank from rusting. It removes all the sediment from the bottom of the tank that won't come out when you drain it.
So tell me, if I forget to do this, what happens down the road?
Eventually your aluminum water tank will rust out eventually. It'll take time, but it will do it over time if you don't do this every year, or a couple times each year would be nice.
And financially, the consequences on replacing a water heater?
About $700 for a gas electric water heater.
So $700 against
$14.25.
And they're in stock right now?
They are in stock.
All right. So it's a Mount Comfort RV parts store, the largest independent parts store in Indiana. And the hours, Rick?
Our hours are 8 to 5 Monday through Friday and 9 to 5 on Saturday.
Great. If you have any questions, you can call our parts store experts at Mount Comfort RV or go online at mountcomfortrv.com. Our next Tiffin motorhome is an Allegro 32 SA. It has 2 slides and sleeps 4, and it's beautiful inside. Stay tuned for more.
Thanks, Kurt. Sorry about the interstate noise down here. We're at the 32 SA. This is a beautiful coach on the Ford V10 chassis, the world-renowned Ford V10 chassis. Quick feature on the outside, you have this nice size LG television underneath your awning. Plenty of storage beneath here. Let's go inside, hopefully be a little bit quieter. All right, so as you step in, obviously you notice the beautiful wood that Tiffin is famous for. You have a drop-down bunk over the cab. Beautiful leather. Nice comfortable dinette that will make a bed. Large couch. Also, as you know, makes a bed. Double sink. Somebody left a water bottle in here. That was nice of them. We'll set that aside and throw it away in a little bit. Oh, brings me to a little charge port here. Sorry, Tony, we're walking around you. Large Furrion 3-burner cooktop. One thing I like about this, I don't know if you noticed, but I don't miss too many meals. And look at the size of this residential Maytag refrigerator. This might be bigger than the one I have in my house. I'm not sure. Ice maker in the freezer. Television, fireplace. to take the chill off. That's electric. It's not going to use any propane. Your shower's across from your toilet. Come on this side, Tony. I'm going to open up this door so you can see this bathroom. Look at this. Come around the corner, talk about leg room. They can put a little feature in here, a little recliner. It's nice. You got a ton of room in there. Nice size bed, LG television in the bedroom, and a ton of storage. Nice deep drawers, nice deep wardrobe, coat closet behind you, Tony, and storage over the bed, as well as some storage underneath and your ladder for your overcap bunk. All right. That's about it for the 32 SA. Quick look around. Back to you, Kurt.
Hey, thanks for that tour. Our third coach comes from the diesel category. It's an Allegro Red, sleeping 6 while expanding its footprint with 3 big slides. Here's more.
Thanks, Kurt. All right, we are down here at the Tiffin Allegro Red, or rear engine diesel, as you told them. Again, more highway noise. I should have pulled these around, I guess. Go inside here. There is so much about this unit that it really deserves its own 30-45 minute video. But if you want to know more about it, feel free to call me or email me, or come on in and check it out yourself. We're going to do a quick walkthrough just so you can see some of the offerings it has. There's LG TV behind you, plenty of beautiful wood along those cabinets. Again, it's kind of Tiffin's thing. You got a LG television on a televator across from the sofa. Plenty of seating in here. Opposing slides really opens it up. Gives you a dance floor. Here is the same 3-burner cooktop that I showed you guys from the open road. Oh, sorry. Oh, Lord. Oh, Tony, don't cut it yet. We're going to work through this. We made it. High-rise faucet. Dual stainless steel sink. Nice backsplash. Large Whirlpool refrigerator. Now you got to put these shelves where you want them. Okay, it's not just going to be like that. This is a 1.5 bath model. Step on in the half bath here. Big fan of the 1.5 bath for obvious reasons. You don't want people traipsing through your bedroom to get to the bathroom. Here's your touchpad with all your controls on there. Nice large bedroom here. There's your entertainment accessories. Large drawer there. You can use a hamper or whatever you want to. Bags for the cushions and such. Obviously that'll all get cleaned out of there. And then your master bath. You got your washer and dryer. Large sink, plenty of countertop space. And nice shower. All right. Again, that's a quick look around of this Allegro Red. This is a 2020. It's a 37BA, 1.5 bath model. Beautiful, spacious, and ready for you. Back to you, Kurt.
So that's a wrap on our show for today and our 3 Tiffin motorhomes that we featured. I'm sure you're going to want some more information. So go to mountcomfortrv.com, or you can call us at 1-800-899-6676 for more information. We have over 400 pre-owned and new RVs in stock. There's one for you here at Mount Comfort RV. Till next time, so long.